University Laval has around 48,000 students, and I should say that 20% of our revenue is online revenue. We're the largest Francophone university online in the world, and quite frankly, we're proud to say that we're one of the best employers in Quebec. One of the key challenges we had in storage is how fast it becomes obsolete, and we wanted to share the risk with a partner, the technology risk. So making sure that as the technology evolves, we had a partner able to help us evolve with the technology. So that's the main reason of why we went for a software-defined network.
And in this specific case, with the Laval University, EMC Dell was a critical component to the solution and to the software-defined data center, which we helped build with the university.
Software-defined storage is very important for us. It's part of our software-defined data center strategy. Being able to be more agile, more flexible in our use of the infrastructure, to be able to provide more services, to provide them quicker than we would do in a standard organization. So the software-defined way is something very useful to us.
So basically why we chose software-defined network is because we have so many projects and so many types of stuff that we want to do. We want to decouple the storage from the project or from the technology. And since we have a lot of stuff to do, we want to make sure that we also have a partner that's able to help us linking storage with projects and things to do. For them, it's a big change. The value added that they have is no more linked to the technology, but it's linked to the business. And we want them to be a big part of the business success.
We come up with situations where we have to rethink the way we work on IT today. The legacy way of doing business, the traditional way of doing business is just not fast enough, not agile enough, and the time to market for a lot of the solutions and products that companies want to launch in the market does not make the cut. If you look at the actual solution that was designed, built, and deployed, it was a precursor to the enterprise hybrid cloud that actually EMC launched after the project. So we kind of built our own version of the enterprise hybrid cloud. So we were essentially pioneering a lot of the work with EMC.
Software-defined storage is a great way to be able to deliver services much quicker in terms of seconds, of minutes at the most, and that's what our clients are looking for. We have to be able to deliver new services like this, and we have to be able to deliver them in the quickest way that we can. So here, object storage, backed by software-defined storage, allows us to do this kind of things. So it allows us to develop new ways of developing our softwares, new ways of providing storage for research teams, and new ways to enable our clients in our cloud offer to use this kind of storage spaces.
The new university is, as we could appreciate, a public sector organization. Now, what we've discovered over the last few months after the project and also during the project was a great interest by the private community. So the university became a showcase and is now also a showcase today for private sector organizations that get to see how an agile, flexible, and and an infrastructure that reduces the time to market really looks like.
Software-defined storage is a great way for us to have better time to market. For us, whether in research or whether in the cloud offer that we have, speed is time of the essence. I think the most interesting thing that we've been able to provide to our company is a new way of accessing storage. Object storage is a great enhancement for around development for the software that we are building. Digitalization, is happening all over the industry. In higher ed, this is something crucial for us. So here, finding a good partner in terms of a vendor is very important for us. Being able to have our mind clear of infrastructure problem allows us to focus more on the business, on teaching and research.